Hello everyone, my name is Andrei Sarur. I am the founder and CEO of Greenlight Biosciences. I'm very excited to be speaking at the Credit Suisse Healthcare Conference about our use of messenger RNA in vaccine and therapeutic technology. We are a public company, and as such, we are presenting these forward-looking statements. I encourage anybody before making any investment decision to consider all of the different risk factors that are outlined on this slide. Greenlight is a public benefit corporation, which means that we are not only interested in bringing the best returns to our investors, but also in changing our planet for the better. We have a platform that is capable of delivering RNA products to what we believe to be the two most important industries in our planet: our ability to grow food and our ability to keep healthy people. Our platform for production of RNA technology we consider to be one of the most advanced in the planet. We have demonstrated the ability to produce very large amounts of double-stranded RNA, which is the type of RNA that we use in agriculture, at the lowest cost that has been able to be used at scale. We have demonstrated less than $1 per gram production cost for RNA in agriculture, and we have produced over 0.5 metric ton of RNA in the last 12 months. In addition to our advances in agricultural RNA, we have also demonstrated with our partnership with Samsung Biologics our ability to very rapidly scale the production of messenger RNA vaccines and in the future, hopefully, therapeutics. Our 50-liter scale process has demonstrated the ability to produce up to 12 grams per liter of messenger RNA. We'll talk today about primarily our human health programs, where we are rapidly developing a COVID-19 booster vaccine to be used in Africa. And in addition to that, we have several other programs, including shingles, that we have in partnership with the Serum Institute of India, and a pan-coronavirus vaccine that we're developing in collaboration with the National Institutes of Health, in addition to several other therapeutics and vaccine programs. The other major challenge that we face is the ability to keep our entire population of our planet healthy. To prevent pandemics, we expect to see about a 3-fold increase in pandemics going forward, and we need to be prepared for that. We need to have much better distribution, discovery, and delivery of vaccines, not only to the developed world, but also to low and middle income countries. If we look at the COVID pandemic, the world failed to protect some of the most vulnerable because we didn't have a universal system to rapidly discover, develop, and deliver vaccines to every corner of our planet. The existing challenges, again, are well known. It takes too long with traditional technologies to bring molecules to market. The manufacturing requirements for traditional processing, even for messenger RNA, are extraordinarily expensive. They're centralized, they're difficult to modularize and make available in every corner of our world. And finally, they are expensive. Our platform, our messenger RNA delivery platform, enables both speed and lower cost. We believe Greenlight is uniquely positioned to make significant progress against these global challenges because not only are we capable of discovering and developing products for both food security and human health security, but we also own proprietary manufacturing that allows us to rapidly develop and scale products that can be globally made available. Historically, if we look at the companies that have transformed our world, technical innovation has not been enough for those companies to gain leadership positions. It's been a requirement of disruption to also own significant advances in manufacturing. And just like Ford revolutionized the manufacturing of automobiles by the moving assembly line, and Intel revolutionized the manufacturing of semiconductors and made computer chips widely available, we believe that Greenlight, with our unique manufacturing technology, can make RNA materials for agriculture and human health broadly available at revolutionary speeds and with prices that make them affordable and universally available. In order to bring these technologies to market in an effective way, Greenlight has assembled a top-tier group of seasoned executives with significant experience discovering, developing, and commercializing products both in agriculture as well as in human health. And of course, the support functions of leaders in legal, regulatory, and financial. In this presentation, even though we have a vibrant pipeline of agricultural products, we're going to focus exclusively on our human health programs. We currently have 3 active vaccine programs with an available total market of about $33 billion, which include a COVID booster, a COVID second-generation pan-coronavirus vaccine being developed in collaboration with the National Institutes of Health, and a shingles vaccine being developed in collaboration with the Serum Institute of India. In addition to that, we have a program, an earlier program, in gene therapy in collaboration with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Our shingles vaccine is intended to be targeted at low and middle income countries. And once again, this is a program that is in partnership with the Serum Institute of India. This is a significant market. It is estimated that the shingles vaccine market is about $6.5 billion. And the problem is that 95% of individuals that are 50 or older already have the varicella virus that can give the rise to shingles and have about 50% lifetime chance of developing shingles by age 85. Greenlight and Serum Institute are currently in the process of doing preclinical testing on a number of candidates, working to discover and design a messenger RNA vaccine to target shingles. By the end of this year, we will have transferred the initial preclinical studies to Serum Institute and will start toxicology studies, aiming to start a clinical study by the end of 2023 or early in 2024. In addition to our shingles efforts, we're also rapidly developing COVID vaccines, not for rich countries, but really for the rest of the world. A true pandemic response system that allows us to very rapidly identify new variants and develop vaccines that are rapidly scalable and made available to as many people as possible. This is in part driven by our collaboration with Samsung Biologics that has demonstrated the ability to produce a significant amount of RNA on a single 50-liter bioreactor. By our estimates, a single 50-liter bioreactor would be capable of producing up to 500 million doses of a COVID vaccine on an annual basis. Our ability to install and deploy those bioreactor systems globally would enable us to have a system capable of responding to new variants of COVID or any future emerging threats. Our plan is to start a COVID vaccine booster trial in Africa sometime in 2023, followed by a phase 2 or pivotal study with a second-generation COVID vaccine that we're developing in collaboration with the National Institutes of Health. To summarize, Greenlight is developing a number of products for both agriculture and food security and human health. All of our products are based on RNA innovation. In human health, we have a phase 1 clinical study slated to start in Africa next year. We have a shingles candidate that we have selected with Serum Institute in India that we expected to make it into the clinic sometime next year, and a collaboration with the NIH for the discovery and development of a second-generation COVID vaccine that will be able to target a multitude of different variants of COVID. We're very proud of the progress that Greenlight has made so far in bringing RNA innovation to every corner in our world, and so we encourage all of you to reach out if you have any questions or want to learn more about our platform. Thank you so much for your attention.